Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to LBank. First of all, you need to log into your Binance account. Then you need to go to your wallet on the top right menu, go to the spot account where you have your USDT balance. Now you need to find USDT in the list. If you can't find it, you can use this search right here, enter USDT. And on the right side of the USDT, you will see these three dots. Just hover with your mouse and go to the withdraw page. Now you need to select network. I suggest you to use BIP20 because it has got the lowest fees. Now we need to find the wallet address on LBank. So let's go to the LBank, go to the wallet on the top right menu and go to the spot account. In this list, we need to find USDT, and on the right side there is deposit button. Just click this button. Then you need to select the network. So in this case, we are using BIP20 Binance Smart Chain Network. You need to copy this wallet address, go back to Binance and paste the wallet address right here. Select the network again, BIP20. Enter the amount of USDT you're going to send, for example, 10. The minimum withdrawal amount is 5, and as you can see, the fee is only 0.33. It doesn't matter you will send 10 or 1000, the fee will be the same, guys. Then you need to click this yellow withdraw button, confirm the transaction, and in maximum 10 minutes you can check your balance on LBank. To check your balance, you need to go to wallet again on top right, go to the spot account, and right here you will see your USDT balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.